This week we are here in our factory in the UK. We've got our team over from America. They've been telling the world about how Cam Assist is a step change for our industry, and they're here now to see it firsthand running on one of our machines.
If you were to remove all that material in one go, you would lose all the rigidity. What Cam Assist is really useful here is giving me 50 to 60% of the toolpath. It's going to generate the roughing strategies, generate the finishing strategies. I could spend a little bit of time editing it and making it, starting from outside to working its way in.
It's fantastic to see the full life cycle of Cam Assist, from design to the part being programmed to the part actually being machined. Just gives a real clear picture of what we're able to do for our customers in the US with Cam Assist.